Hey everyone, it's Brad here and welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're just starting out on the Irish Tenor Banjo, one of the best things you can do is spend a few minutes each day just working on simple exercises before jumping into tunes. Now, in this lesson, I'm going to show you 3 beginner exercises that's going to improve your picking, your timing and your finger coordination. Now, these are exercises I regularly use with my own students and they're a fantastic way to build a solid foundation. Now, before we get started, don't forget I've put together a free Banjo Basics ebook packed with loads of exercises, tips and advice. There'll be a link in the description below, so do check that out, it's completely free. Let's move on to exercise number 1. Now we're simply going to be playing 1 bar on each string, starting from the low G, working our way through to the high E. Now this exercise gradually changes rhythm as we move across the strings. We're going to be swapping between quarter notes and eighth notes. Now I'll pop the tab up on the screen. First we play quarter notes on the low G, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go to the D string, eighth notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's like double speed. Then the A string, back to quarter notes, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the E string, eighth notes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's try that together with the metronome. I've got a metronome set up here at 80 BPM, but again, if that's too fast, you can always slow it down to something like 50, 40, something like that. Remember, we want to keep that picking movement nice and small and plectrum close to the string. So here's an 80 BPM metronome. Let's try the exercise together. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, that's exercise number 1, just a picking exercise that works the right hand. Now again, don't worry about speed at this stage. We're just trying to build consistency and control. Again, if 80 BPM is too fast, you just slow it down. But again, once it's comfortable, you can always increase the tempo of the metronome. Okay, let's move on now to exercise number 2. This time we're going to work on the A major scale. Now scales are brilliant because they improve both the left hand and the right hand coordination, so you get to work on both hands at the same time. Now you'll notice we're staying on just 2 strings throughout this exercise. As always, just make sure every note is played with alternate picking. That's down, up, down, up. Now don't let the picking pattern change. I'm going to bring the tabs up on screen now and we're going to use a metronome throughout. Again, I'm at 80, but you can play a little bit slower. So let's try this one together. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, I was picking down, up on every click of the metronome. And again, I'm using separate fingers for each note. We don't use the same finger twice. So again, don't rush. Accuracy is way more important than speed at this point. Okay, let's finally move on to exercise number 3. Now this one's a simple jig exercise in 6/8 time. Really important if you're trying to learn Irish traditional music, as 6/8 and jigs are highly common. Again, they're everywhere in Irish music. Now you'll notice that we're playing in groups of 3 notes and we count them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We accentuate the first note and the 4th note. So groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should be counting like that in your head while you're playing these exercises, or just tapping on the 1st and the 4th beat. If you tap in your foot as well, that's quite handy as well. Now again, we're going to be using alternate picking throughout. I'll pop the tabs up on the screen now and we'll try it together. Just need to set your metronome to 6/8. You'll have to find a 6/8 metronome for this exercise. Again, I'm at 80 BPM and we've got a 6/8 metronome now. So let's try this one together. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, just a nice little simple exercise. Again, that really helps create that Irish jig feel, just practicing 6/8 exercises. Now, just to recap, exercise 1 developed the picking control, again, just working on that right hand. Exercise 2 improves finger coordination using the A major scale. And then exercise 3 introduces the classic 6/8 jig rhythm that you use countless times in Irish tunes. Now, if you spend just 5 or 10 minutes practicing these every day, you'll be amazed at how much easier learning tunes becomes down the road. Now, if you'd like even more beginner lessons and exercises like these, don't forget to download my free Banjo Basics ebook. Link will be in the description. It's packed with loads of beginner exercises, tabs, practice tips, all that sort of thing. And if you've enjoyed this lesson, please do smash that like and subscribe. And I'll see you again in the next one.